How to use Intact Home Insurance Canada properly. Beginner mistakes that cost you. Intact Home Insurance is one of Canada's most trusted providers, but many homeowners make mistakes that can cost money or leave them underinsured. The surprising truth is that just having a policy isn't enough. You need to know how to use it effectively. A frequent mistake is underestimating coverage. Standard policies may not fully cover rebuilding costs after inflation or unexpected disasters. Regularly review your policy to ensure it reflects the current value of your home and possessions. Neglecting liability coverage is another trap. Intact policies include personal liability, but reducing limits to save money can leave you vulnerable if someone is injured on your property, or if you cause damage to others. Failing to update your policy is another common error. Renovations, major purchases, or moving can affect your coverage needs. Not notifying Intact may result in denied or reduced claims. Overlooking discounts is another costly mistake. Intact offers savings for bundling home and auto insurance, installing security systems, and maintaining a claims-free record. Missing these opportunities can cost hundreds of dollars annually. Finally, misunderstanding the claims process can delay payouts. Always document damages, report claims promptly, and communicate clearly with your claims representative. By avoiding these mistakes, you can get the most out of Intact Home Insurance Canada. Ensure coverage matches your home's current value, maintain sufficient liability protection, update your policy regularly, take advantage of discounts, and understand the claims process. This ensures your insurance works efficiently and gives you peace of mind in any situation.